2008 Kia Rondo, and today we're going to be replacing the brake light bulb for one of these. Here they are. They are the 2357 bulbs. We're only going to be replacing one, but this vehicle does have 4 bulbs, 2 per taillight. Let's make our way around the back. So there'll be a brake light right here and a brake light up here. This top one is the one that we'll be changing today. With the lift gate open, we can see that there are 3 little openings right here. This one is already opened. This one down here at the bottom. I'm just using a little 90-degree pick. And this one up top, which is so encased in gunk. Okay, I didn't know if I was gonna get that out or not. And then inside of these is a Phillips head screw for each hole. And to remove the taillight, just grab it like so, pull it gently out from this side, and then you can pull it straight out towards you. On the back, we have our wiring and bulb socket harness. Right here, these red ones on the top and the bottom, these red ones are our brake lights. This is the reverse signal bulb, and this is our turn signal. Of course, for this repair, we're just going to be replacing this very blown bulb right here. And when installing your new bulb, I always like to grab a shop rag or something that is nice and clean and stops it from coming in contact with my skin. So that way the oils from your skin does not get onto the new bulb and make it blow out faster. And of course you can wear gloves too, but I don't see the point in putting on a glove for all of that 3 seconds that it just took. And with everything hooked back up. And then check your brake light, make sure it works. And that's pretty much all it is to this repair. If you'd like to see another video on this vehicle, check that one out next. I made it just for you. But other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See y'all next time.